Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I brought a nice concept, that is square root of a set, which is very useful for all the competitive examinations. Before going to the concept, I have a small request. Dear all, if you like my videos, please like, share to your friends and do subscribe. Come to the topic. The topic is square root of a set. Generally, set will be in the form a plus or minus b root c. Set will be in the form a plus or minus b root c. How to find square root of that type of set? The problems will be categorized into two ways. So, these two ways we can discuss in model 1 and model 2. So, now see model 1. Under this model 1 problems, here b will be given as 2. Here b we have that b will be given as 2. Then problem very easy. So then the set will become a plus or minus 2 root c. And we have to find square root of this type of sets. Finding square root of this type of sets, directly we have a shortcut trick. Here you can consider C as the product. Directly we can take C is the product. A is the sum. That's all. We have to find out two numbers such that sum is A, product is C. Very simple. So we can go with a problem to find out the square root of the set. So the first problem is square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to how much? We want to find square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. So if you see here, it is in the form a plus b root c. Here b is 2. So it will come under model 1. So if it is in the form, then I said already, inside root what we have, that is your product. And this is your sum. Now we have to find out two numbers such that sum is 5, product is 6. We have to express 6 as product of two numbers such that those two numbers sum is 5. Very easy. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. We know very well. And 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So after getting two numbers, the problem over. So completed only. The problem very simple. After getting two numbers, just apply square root to these two numbers. So root 2 and root 3. After applying square root, what is the symbol we have in between these two terms? That symbol as it is will come. And you have to put plus or minus. So this is your answer for square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. We can go with one more problem. Square root of 7 minus 2 root 6. Same question, same type question, but in middle they gave minus here. It is in the form a minus 2 root c. So whenever you have 2 here, directly we can take this is the product. And this is the sum. Now we have to find out two numbers whose product is 6 and sum is 7. It's very easy. 6 is equal to 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Sum is 7 coming, product is 6 coming. So two numbers I have. So just we have to apply square root to these two numbers. So if I apply square root, so root 6 will come and root 1 will come. So what is the sign we have in between these two? Minus. So as it is, it will come here. And we have to apply plus or minus also. Here plus or minus root 6 minus root 1 means 1. So this is the answer for second problem. So here two problems explained. Yeah, model 2. In this model 2, b cannot be equal to 2. That's all. They won't give b is equal to 2. They may give any other number. So the number, the set will be in the form a plus or minus other than 2 you will get here and root c will come. For that type of set, how to find square root. These problems how to solve. Now we can go with a problem, that is problem 3 we have here. So how to find square root of 7 minus root 48. If you observe carefully, here we don't have 2 here. That is the task here. We want to bring 2 there. We need to get 2 there. If you get 2, then this model 2 problems will be converted into model 1. Very easy. So I want to get 2 here. How I can get? This can be brought by 2 ways. One is bringing from inside value, inside the square root. We can bring 2 from this inside square root number, or else we can multiply and divide with 2. So in 2 ways we can do. So first of all, observe the inside square root what number we have. We have 48. So if inside square root is a multiple of 4, inside square root what number we have, that is a multiple of 4, then we can bring from the root. So we can write this one as 4 into 12. If it is not multiple of 4, then we have to multiply and divide with 2. So but here carefully we can observe 48 is the multiple of 4, that is 4 into 12. So if this 4 coming outside means it will become 2. So the problem will turns like this. Square root of 7 minus this 4 I am bringing out. So it will get 2. So square root of 12 will come. So now this if you observe means here we have 2. Now this problem converted into model 1. Whenever you see 2 here, this is your product. This is your sum. So now I want to find 2 numbers such that product is 12, sum is 7. So you know very well, 12 we can write as 3 into 4. 3 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So whenever you got 2 numbers, just apply square root. What sign we have inside? Minus we have. So as usual minus will come and put plus or minus also. So the answer will be plus or minus root 3 minus. We can simplify this one, we will get 2. So this is the answer for third problem. So plus or minus root 3 minus 2. So hope you understand this one. So now come to problem 4. What we have here? Square root of 8 minus 3 root 7. Here also we don't have 2. Our task is to bring 2 add here. To bring 2 here. So how we can bring? If you see inside value, inside root 7, 7 is not a multiple of 4. This is different. It is not a multiple of 4. So this type problems how to do means inside you multiply and divide with 2. So root of I am multiplying and dividing. So whole value as it is you write. Then you get that square root of 2 take inside, then it will multiply. So 16 minus 2 into 3 root 7 by 2. So this 2 if you coming outside means it will become 1 by root 2. Square root of 16 minus this 3 take inside. Whenever outside number if you take inside it will get squared. So 2 minus 2 into square root of here 3 we have. 3 if go inside means it will become 9. 9 into 7. 9 into 7 is 63. Now these are converted into model 1. So this is your product. This is your sum. So now we want to find 2 numbers such that product is 63, sum is 7. We know very well 63 is equal to 9 into 7. And if we add 9 and 7, we get 16. That's correct only. So 9 and 7 we have. Just apply square roots. So square root of 9 and what symbol we have in between? Minus we have. So minus will come root 7. Before what we have as it is it will come. and we want to apply plus or minus also. We can simplify it, plus or minus 1 by root 2. Root 9, we know value of root 9, that is 3 minus root 7. This is the answer for fourth problem. Here, 2 models we discussed and 4 problems. 4 problems also, different problems I collected and I explained you. So if you understand these 4 problems, then whatever type of question, that is square root of z, we can find very easily. So hope you understand these all 4 problems. If you understand all, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.